There's a certain magic in transforming raw materials into something useful, something beautiful. Wood, with its natural warmth and versatility, is the perfect medium for this transformation. Building your own furniture is deeply satisfying. You get the exact piece you envisioned, crafted with your own two hands. Plus, you get to impress your friends. And let's be honest, who doesn't love a good "I made this" story? You don't need to be a master craftsman to start. With a bit of patience, the right tools, and a dash of grit, anyone can build furniture they'll cherish for years to come. Remember, perfection is overrated. Embrace the process, the sawdust, the occasional misaligned cut. These imperfections tell a story, your story, of creativity and craftsmanship. So are you ready to unleash your inner wood whisperer? Let's dive into the world of DIY furniture making. Every craftsman needs reliable tools. For woodworking, you don't need a shop full of fancy machinery. A few well-chosen tools will set you up for success. First, a trusty saw. A circular saw is great for cutting large pieces, while a jigsaw tackles curves and intricate cuts. A handsaw is perfect for smaller jobs. Next, you'll need a measuring tape and a combination square. Accurate measurements are key to a well-built piece. Clamps are your best friends in woodworking. They hold pieces securely while you work. For smoothing out rough edges and shaping wood, a power sander is a must-have. Don't forget safety gear. Safety glasses protect your eyes from flying debris, and ear protection is crucial when using power tools. A dust mask is essential for keeping your lungs healthy. Remember, safety first. Now that we're equipped, let's move on to planning your first project. Before you even pick up a saw, take time to plan. Start with a simple project. A small bookshelf or a side table is a great place to begin. Once you've chosen a project, find or create detailed plans. These plans are your roadmap to success. They outline the dimensions, materials, and steps involved. Measure your space carefully to ensure your creation will fit perfectly. Think about the style and functionality you desire. Do you prefer a rustic look or a more modern aesthetic? Consider the wood type, finish, and any hardware you'll need. Once you have a solid plan, create a cut list. This list details each piece of wood you'll need, its dimensions, and where it fits in the project. Having a cut list minimizes waste and ensures you have all the materials before you start building. With a clear plan in hand, you're ready to choose the wood for your masterpiece. Section 4. Wood selection, the heart of your furniture. Choosing the right wood is crucial for both the beauty and durability of your furniture. Hardwoods like oak, maple, and cherry are strong and resistant to dents and scratches, making them ideal for high-traffic pieces. They also showcase beautiful grain patterns. Softwoods like pine and cedar are more affordable and easier to work with, though they might be less resistant to wear and tear. Consider the project's purpose and your desired aesthetic. Do you want a light and airy feel or a rich, warm tone? Visit your local lumberyard and examine the wood firsthand. Look for straight boards with minimal knots and imperfections. Don't forget about plywood. This versatile material is made by gluing together layers of wood veneer, resulting in a strong and stable sheet. Plywood is great for shelves, cabinet backs, and other structural components. With the perfect wood selected, let's talk budget. Section 5. Budgeting, your project cost-effective craftsmanship. DIY furniture can be budget-friendly, but it's essential to plan your spending. The cost of wood can vary greatly depending on the type, quality, and location. Factor in the cost of hardware such as screws, nails, handles, and drawer slides. Don't forget about finishing supplies like sandpaper, stain, and polyurethane. To save money, consider using reclaimed wood. Old barns, fences, and pallets can be treasure troves of character-filled lumber. Look for sales and discounts at your local lumberyard. You can also reduce costs by opting for simpler designs and avoiding unnecessary embellishments. Remember, building furniture is an investment. While it might require an initial outlay, you'll end up with a unique piece that you'll cherish for years to come. Now let's talk about managing your time effectively to ensure a smooth and enjoyable building experience. Section 6. Time is wood. Tips for efficient building. Building furniture takes time, but with a bit of planning you can make the most of your time in the workshop. Set realistic goals and break down the project into manageable steps. Don't try to do everything at once. Focus on completing one stage before moving on to the next. Create a dedicated workspace where you can spread out and work comfortably. Having all your tools and materials within reach will save you time and frustration. Don't be afraid to ask for help if you need it. Enlist a friend or family member to assist with tasks like cutting large pieces or holding components in place. Most importantly, enjoy the process. Building furniture should be a rewarding and enjoyable experience. Take breaks when needed, listen to music, and celebrate your accomplishments along the way. Now go forth and create something amazing. Like and subscribe and click on the link below for more info.